Hello, dear students. Today I will discuss about the topic diseases of mushroom, which is related to BSc AG 6th semester subject mushroom culture and elementary plant nematology. First of all, I would like to discuss about some brief of this topic. Dear students, as you know, different types of diseases like fungal, bacterial, viral cause infection in the crop plants. Likewise, different types of diseases infect in the mushroom production like fungal, bacterial, virus, which is cause considerable qualitative and quantitative yield loss in mushroom production. Now, first of all, I would like to discuss about some fungal disease of mushroom. In a mushroom crop, different types of major and minor fungal diseases occurs in mushroom house. Here we can discuss some important fungal disease of mushroom. First of all, wet bubble, dry bubble, cobweb, green mold. Okay, I would like to discuss about dry bubble. It is caused by the Verticillium fungicola. Symptoms is the white mycelial growth in initial noticed on the casing soil, which has tendency to turn greyish yellow. The main symptom of this disease is a onion-like structure found in mushroom crop. You can clearly see the picture of disease. Next, wet bubble. It is caused by Mycobon perniciosa. You can clearly see the picture of diseases which is caused by the wet bubble disease. You get clear symptom of this disease. Next, cobweb. You can see the symptoms, the disease in this picture. The cobweb disease has a small white patches on the casing soil, which then spread to the nearest mushroom by fine grey white mycelium. This disease occurs in white butter mushroom as well as in oyster mushroom. Next, green mold. This is you can see the clear symptom of this disease. Green color like patches on the casing soil surface, which cause considerable yield loss. Next one is competitor molds. It is also a fungal, but they do not cause infection in the mushroom house. They compete for nutrient, space and other contents. For example, falstafels, olive green, brown plaster, yellow molds, inky cap, cinnamon mold, pink mold, white plaster mold. You can see the clear picture of this competitor molds in this slide. Falstafels, yellow molds, brown plaster and olive green mold. Next, this is some general guidelines for the management of fungal disease and competitor molds. You can apply in the mushroom house and save the mushroom crops, which is obtained by the maximum yield. This is the some process, some steps you have to follow. This is also some steps. This is some general fungicides which is applied in the mushroom house for the control of fungal and competitor mold diseases. This is also some suggested or recommended fungicide which is used by the different scientists to obtain different mushroom production in mushroom house. This is now I would like to discuss about abiotic stasis. Abiotic stasis, as you know, there is no involvement of any causal agent, means living agent. In addition to abiotic agent, which adverse affect the mushroom crops. It is due to the alteration in the high and low amount of the pH, temperature, carbon dioxide, relative humidity and temperature, and also moisture, which alterate the or loss in the mushroom house qualitative yield loss. this is some disorders of mushroom: stroma, vipers, flock, scales, rose form, long stem mushroom. Now I would like to discuss about the bacterial disease. The bacterial pathogen induced variety of symptoms like blotch, mummy pate disease, soft disease, yellowing, drippy gill. This is some common bacterial disease found in different types of paddy straw mushroom, milky mushroom, oyster mushroom, and Agaricus bisporus, means white button mushroom. This is a list of some bacterial disease with causal agent. This is also a bacterial disease with causal agent. This is a management of bacterial disease. You can practice and apply the different types of regulatory management, which is help in the production of and maximum yield of mushroom crops. Now I would like to discuss about the viral disease of mushroom. You can see the different types of diseases found in other countries, but in India it found is very rarely. Different types of double stranded RNA viruses, mycoviruses, which is found associated with the fungus. As you know, mushroom is a edible fungus. In mycelium of the mushroom, the different types of virus particles found in mushroom crops, which cause qualitative yield loss in the mushroom crops. For example, dwarfing of the mushroom, long stem, brown disease, watery stripe, dieback, X disease. You can see the table of different bacterial disease with shape, size, and country. This is a host, Agaricus bisporus, and the disease is La France, watery stripes, and the shape is spherical bacilliform. As you know, virus, different types of shapes found in viruses like spherical, bacilli, club shaped, drop shaped, flexuous rod shaped viruses, and that size is 25 nanometer, 29 nanometer. Thank you. अब इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैंने संक्षेप में आपको डिजीज के बारे में बताया है, जिसकी पूरी विस्तृत डिटेल जानकारी जो है आपको हमारे कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे पड़ी हुई है. आप उससे इसको अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हैं और आप इस वीडियो को बार बार स्टॉप करके डाउनलोड करके इसकी पूरी जानकारी जो है आप ले सकते हैं. और मैं यही मेरी होप है, मेरी आशा है कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल होगी. थैंक्स.